Hi, I'm Chief Brogan with the Dearborn Heights Fire Department, and I'm here today with firefighter Kevin Ryan. And we're going to answer some questions about car seats. That's a call we get very frequently with residents calling, asking if we can help them with their car seat installations. And it happens so frequently, some of our firefighters have volunteered to go to schooling to get some formal training, so we knew that we were doing it right. Firefighter Ryan was one of those people, and Kevin, why don't you tell us about the program?
Sure, thanks, Chief. What we noticed, Chief, was we're getting a lot of drop-ins and people calling, wondering if their car seat was installed correctly. We, as a lot of us were parents, we said, yeah, we can help you, but just with the knowledge we had before. So we decided to go to the course, which is a 40-hour course. You become certified in installing car seats and car seat safety. And what we noticed was a lot of even our own car seats were installed incorrectly. So by taking that course, we learned a lot of things that when residents now come in, we can be confident we're installing their car seats correctly. It's the national statistics that about 72% of all car seats are installed incorrectly. So if you, as a resident, had any questions about a car seat, what you need, how to install it, you can call out here at the fire department and schedule an appointment. The number is 313-791-3652. We'll also in the future be hosting some car seat events, and it's just something that we really saw a need for and went out and did that to educate the community more.
Yeah, so we encourage all of our residents to take advantage of this. There's very few firefighters actually with this certification in all of Wayne County, and there's 3 of them on our department. And so please give us a call and keep your eyes on our Facebook page to find out when we're going to have those car seat installation events. And otherwise, call that number 313-791-3652 to schedule us to come in and look at your car seats.